Hi, my name is Brian Baldwin, and I'm the director of the Kean University Math and Science Partnership. I want to welcome you to this little online information session about the MSP project. First off, I want to start by talking about the rationale for the project. The funding source for the MSP is coming from the New Jersey Department of Education. And over the past few years, they've identified a number of problem areas that students traditionally have in math and science from looking at the HESPA and NJASC exams at different levels. And so the Department of Education has decided to fund very specific professional development in math and science content, specifically focusing on those traditional problem areas that students have year in and year out. And so what they require is that we provide 70 hours of professional development during the summer, followed by 35 hours during the academic year. In the summer workshops, on the math side of things, this summer, 2011, we're going to be looking at mathematical processes, geometry and measurements, and patterns in algebra, and the core standards are noted there. In science, we're going to be focusing on the physical sciences, science practices, properties of matter, changes in matter, forms of energy, transfer and conservation, and force and motion. Over the summer, the 2 weeks are going to be the weeks of July 5 through 8, which is Tuesday to Friday, and then the following week, Monday to Friday, July 11 through 15, at Kean University in the brand new STEM building, the New Jersey Center for Science, Technology, and Mathematics. Each of those days is going to be a full day, roughly 8:30 until 5 p.m. Each day in order to officially get the 70 hours that are required during the summer. During the academic year, we're going to have 4 professional development days that build upon the content that you will be investigating during the summer in the workshops, and putting together some curricular ideas and some lesson plan ideas that will be appropriate for your grade level. As well, we're going to be putting together an online professional learning community that is password protected for all of the participant teachers to share in lesson planning, curriculum design, and just general conversations about teaching and learning math and science. We have a number of incentives for teachers to participate in this program. We have $1,750 to pay each teacher to participate for the full year, and we've broken it down into two different payments. The first payment of $875 is for completion of the 2-week summer workshop, and then the final $875 for completion of the professional development during the academic year. We certainly anticipate that every teacher will participate in both the summer and the academic year PD. We also have enrollment in free online courses at the Museum of Natural History Seminars and Science program. We have a large chunk of money from the grant that is dedicated to allowing teacher participants to take a graduate course at Kean as a matriculated or as a non-matriculated student. In other words, either being in a degree-granting program or not. We also have money to provide membership in either the National Science Teachers Association or the National Council of Teachers of Mathematics, and if you're already a member, we'll pay for a 1-year renewal. And again, hopefully the major incentive is that this is very targeted professional development, and hopefully there will be some chance of learning some content and some pedagogy to go along with it during the 70 hours during the summer and the 35 hours during the academic year. Going along with any grant that is funded by an external source, such as the state of New Jersey, we have to evaluate and measure the effectiveness of what we're doing. And so going along with what we started last summer, we're going to measure teacher content knowledge, anxiety and self-efficacy of the teachers, as well as the teacher students. We want to measure content knowledge pre- and post-instruction, specifically on the subjects and the standards that are addressed during the summer workshop. And we're also going to be measuring a control group of students in the same courses, yet taught by teachers who were not enrolled in the summer workshop and the academic year professional development. So, I am Baldwin. I'm the director of the project. My contact information is here. Email is by far the best way of getting in touch with me. However, the best person to reach out to is Julia Sharma, who's our day-to-day project manager. Her email and office phone number are listed here, and our external evaluation is being performed by Jessica Riccio, who runs the science education program at Teachers College, Columbia University. Any of the three of us are happy to answer any question that you might have regarding logistics, schedule, you name it. I want to welcome you all to this program, and please feel free to contact Julia or myself with any questions. Thanks so much.